So when it comes to how we train users on using our system, we have different means that we can use. So we always create a operator's manual with our systems that customers always have as a reference to be able to look up in the user manual to see how different functions work. We also provide on-site training as part of our general project process. We will go through the different screens, go through the recipe modules with you, the sortation modules, and give hands-on, direct, person-to-person training for how to use those different pieces of the system. Additionally, we very commonly have a remote connection into the end user system, so we can give you video training as well. If you're having problems with a particular piece and you can share your screen and show us what's going on, we can on the fly provide you additional troubleshooting or training information on how to solve that problem that you are having with your system.